In this video, we'll show you a quick and easy way to take pictures of your jewelry. You'll learn how to use your camera phone to take 3 quick pictures so you can get your free Ring Reno evaluation. To start, you'll need a sheet of white paper or a white dinner plate to use as a background. You'll also need a wooden spoon or something similar to stand your piece upright. Choose a spot with good lighting, for example close to a window, but not in direct sunlight. First, place your jewelry on its side and hold your camera phone approximately 6 to 8 inches from the piece. Use your camera's zoom feature to get closer to the piece while still keeping it in focus. Next, place the ring on the wooden spoon so it stands upright. Shoot down towards the piece to get a clear picture of the top. Last, look for the quality mark on the inside or bottom of the piece. We need to know if the jewelry is made from 10K, 14K, 18K, gold, or platinum. For this picture, it's best to use your camera's zoom feature to get in as close as possible. Remember, if you hold your phone too close, it can't focus properly. Once you've taken these 3 pictures, simply email them to us at hello@ringreno.com so you can get your free Ring Reno evaluation. Thanks for watching.